Hi, today we'll learn how to use phaser in Kdenlive. So if you want to edit your audio using this one effect, you need to drag and drop your video to the timeline. And after that, you need to select your audio and you need to go to Effects tab. Now I will type here phaser. Before we will add this effect, I will play my video to show you how it sounds now. So let's play it. It is audio and video simple track special for tutorials 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 test. Okay, so now if we will drag and drop this phaser effect to our video with an audio, you will be able to see here the effect. So I change position of this indicator to the start, and now I play this video here. It is audio and video simple track special for tutorials 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 test. So how you hear the effect is really great. Of course, you can modify this effect by clicking on this audio, and here on the effect and composition stack settings, you can modify, for example, input gain, output gain, delay in milliseconds, attack release, and other settings. So it may be really useful option to edit your audio. If I helped you to use the phaser in Kdenlive, remember to send a tip to my channel using thank you option on YouTube. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my tutorials.